Hey guys, welcome to a dash of Blanco. And if you guys don't know me already, I am Blanco. Everyone in this world find themselves in the kitchen more than ever. So I'm going to show you guys some quick, easy ways on how I cook. Cooking is not hard at all. Even if you don't cook, I'm telling you, I got you, girl. I got you. So on today's menu, we have America's favorite crab boil. Well, not really a crab boil, a seafood boil. So you want to start off, you want to get your oven bag, and this is the oven bag, so you can place this inside of your oven just like this. Okay, so don't be afraid. And I'm going to take a bowl, and we are going to cover the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to take my corn and my potatoes, and we are going to chop these up and place them into boiling water. Okay, so now is the perfect time to chop up your potatoes and your corn. Now you can place this inside your oven bag. However, potatoes do take longer to cook through. So I'm just going to speed up that process, and I'll boil this for about 40 minutes. And once it's like done, I kind of put it in the oven bag once the seafood is ready so that everything can have that nice flavor. So now that these are boiling, we can go ahead and start on our boil bag. That's what I'm going to call it. So whatever it is that you want to add in your bag, go ahead and do so now. I am taking my large shrimp, and I don't like the shell on, so I'm going to take the shell off, and I will devein the shrimp. You know, we're getting rid of that poop, okay? So we don't want that. That's why I always like my shell off. If your shell is on, you're eating the poop, guys. Just in case you didn't know. So you always want the shell off, and you want to clean it. Now, once you're done with your shrimp, I am going to let it soak in lemon juice and some salt. And you could set that aside for about 10 to 15 minutes if you're in a rush. Okay, so now let's get ready for our boil bag. Now, in my boil bag, I'll be adding crab, shrimp, and mussels. Those are my 3 favorite combos. And I couldn't afford no lobster tails this time, so I'm pissed, but we're going to make it do what it do. Now this oven bag, I'm telling you, I showed you guys how I did my meat, the lamb, inside the oven bag. It just helps cook and just give it so much flavor, whatever you're cooking. Now, if you don't know me already, I'll leave all the seasonings down below in the description box. But you could pretty much add whatever it is in your seafood. Just do not use too much seasoning because you don't want your seafood to be salty. So, like I say, you want to just season it on up. And I love garlic, so I'm going to add minced garlic and garlic cloves in this as well. But just spice it on up, y'all. Create your own little sauce. And last but not least, you have to add butter so that it can give it that nice moisture. Now, I'll be setting this aside. Well, I'll be putting this inside the oven for 40 to 45 minutes on 375 degrees. And then it'll be nice and tender and juicy. So I placed my oven bag inside. Well, I took out the seafood and put it inside this glass bowl. And then I went ahead and made my own beloved sauce. This is Blanco sauce. And boom, as you can see, I also added some eggs and